All right, y'all, we got a 1999 Ford F350, the 5.4 liter engine in it. I got 2 cylinders misfiring, and so we pulled the spark plugs. We already tested the coil and injector wires to make sure they're getting power. Swap the coils, that's all good. So since I already pulled the coils, I figured let's test these spark plugs. And I know I just did a video on this, but these look pretty bad. So I thought we might have some better results on what bad plugs look like. So I wanted to go ahead and do it again. So we're going to test them. So that is all the way up. And you can see this left one here. I've got a spark, but that is weak, weak, weak. Look at this right one over here. Nothing. No spark at all. So that is 100% the cause of the misfire. This one right here, that cylinder, this weak spark, it may be enough that it's still firing in there, so that might be another problem. Maybe the injector itself, I haven't tested that yet. Or this might be weak enough that it is still causing the misfire. I'm not sure, but I am 100% sure about this one because we're getting nothing. So this is just another reason or another video about why you got to change your spark plugs, whatever your maintenance schedule, whenever it tells you to do it, because eventually they will look like this. This is called getting fouled up when they're coated in like grease and dirt and shit. And this will be a reason that you're having misfires. Your check engine light will come on, you'll be putting out more emissions, get bad fuel mileage, your car will run like shit, the whole nine. So don't neglect changing these things, y'all.